Hello, hello. Namaste, peeps. Coming to you from Saptah Mandhir today. And it's been insightful. We were getting financially schooled here, actually out of Gauteng for now and actually in KZN. So, as you can see, a tremendous amount of learning going on. I'm standing here with Dia, who's the youth representative and youth leader for Saptah Mandhir. Namaste, Dia. How are you?
Namaste, I'm good, thank you. How are you?
Oh, fantastic. So obviously, Saptah Mandir hosted a phenomenal and insightful session today in terms of finance management and just about being, financial savvy. In terms of this and hosting this event today, what do you think was accomplished?
I think it was very successful. We had a lot of youth attending. It was very insightful, and we learned a lot about financial management, planning, and takeaways with the tax-free savings account, retirement, as well as wills and home loans. I think everyone enjoyed it, and at least everyone took one thing to take away today.
What was that one thing you took away?
The one thing I took away was the fact that the government does subsidize first-time home buyers, as well as the drawing up of will, as well as how a credit score actually works.
There we go. Dia's got an eye on that platinum shlanga. I get that sense. Let's bring in Bhupendra here today, and he's been facilitating this training here, as you can see, covering a whole lot of content. Namaste, Bhupendra. Thanks and for having us here at Saptah Mandir today, first and foremost. Tell us about what you do, and of course, more about this coaching that you do for not just the youth, but for any industry or any group that requires it.
Okay, just a correction. It's BHADRESH, BHANA. And I've over time discussed it with my wife and felt there's a need to educate the youth and pave the way forward in terms of finances. And if that happens, it's a greater future for them. So it's part of Seva work and being in the financial institution for over 43 years. It's time to share experience and empower others. And the session we had today, I think, really added value.
Well, I set into it, and I myself definitely have learned a few things. So thanks for all that knowledge. Let's just close off here with Dia. Dia, next up for Saptah Mandir, what's going on, what's happening here in Durban?
The next step for us is our 100-year celebration happening from the 7th to the 9th of August. It's a 3-day celebration, and everyone is very excited. And book your tickets for the gala dinner on the 7th of August.
Oh, fantastic. I've attended your RIT for many, many years coming from Joburg. So obviously this is a massive celebration that's going to happen. And just a closing comment for the community?
Closing comment, I would like to thank everyone who attended, and here's to more future events, hopefully, that are helpful to youth and also adults as well.
There we go. We'll leave it there. Thank you, Dia. Thank you, Pradesh Bhai. And obviously, as you can see, things are closing off now. Just respectful of Poppy X, so I'm not going to get any faces, but the youth was in attendance today. And thanks for having us. Catch you on the other side of the peeps. Namaste.